Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Crochet Shop by Nanno. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to crochet beautiful and free patterns, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. In this tutorial, I will show you how to crochet a double stitch. To make a beautiful scarf or blanket, you need your selected yarn. I will use Alize Super Lana Turkish yarn. You can use any bulky size yarn. Suitable crochet hook. I will use 5.5 millimeters crochet hook, scissors, yarn needle, and measuring tape. Take the yarn, make a slip knot, then chain multiples of 4. In this tutorial, I will make 188 chain stitches. After you check your numbers, make a treble stitch by yarn twice, then skip 4 chain stitches. In the next stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. Now you have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops on the hook. Now you finished the first treble stitch. Repeat this treble stitch in the chain stitch before the treble stitch. Cross the treble stitch, make 1 treble stitch. Now you finished the first treble cross stitch. Repeat this treble cross stitch by skip 1 chain stitch. In the next stitch, make 1 treble stitch. Then in the skipped chain stitch, cross the treble stitch, make 1 treble stitch. Repeat this to finish the first row. Skip 1 chain stitch. In the next chain stitch, make 1 treble stitch, then cross the treble stitch. In the skipped chain stitch, make 1 treble stitch. Repeat this to finish the first row. After you finished the first row, in the last you will find one chain stitch. Make one treble stitch in the last chain stitch to finish the first row. Now you finished the first row. To make the second row, chain 3, turn your work between the first cross treble stitches space, make one treble stitch. Before the first cross stitch space, complete the cross treble stitch before the first one space. Now you finished the first cross treble stitch. Repeat this in the next cross stitch by making one treble stitch between the next two treble stitches space. Then complete the cross stitch by making one treble stitch before the two treble stitches space over the treble stitch. Repeat this stitch to finish the second row. After you finish all treble cross stitches, in the last you will find chain 3 space, make one treble stitch in the last chain 3 space. Now start to repeat the second row as you like for your selected size. By chain 3, turn your work. Repeat the second row as you like for your selected size. In this tutorial, I will make 5 rows of cross treble stitches. After you complete the last row by making the last treble stitch in the last space, chain 1, pull a piece of yarn to cut the yarn and fasten off. Finish your work with the yarn needle. Now you finished beautiful texture scarf. You can make it with any yarn size. You can make a blanket with this beautiful stitch. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give me a big thumbs up to see more. See you. Bye bye.